That's good. That's good.
The world of luxury automobiles continually evolves, with manufacturers pushing the boundaries of design, performance, and exclusivity. As of 2025, here are the top 10 most expensive cars in the world. 1. Rolls-Royce LaRose Noir Droptail, $30 million, inspired by the black Baccara Rose. This bespoke two-seater features a removable hardtop and a luxurious interior with intricate rose petal designs. 2. Bugatti La Voiture Noire, $18.68 million, modern interpretation of the classic Bugatti. Type 57S C Atlantic, this one-of-a-kind hypercar boasts a quad-turbo W16 engine producing 1,479 horsepower, capable of exceeding 260 miles per hour. 3. Rolls-Royce Sweptail, $12.8 million, debuting in 2017. The Sweptail marked the beginning of Rolls-Royce's coach build program, featuring a minimalist design with a panoramic glass roof and a yacht-inspired interior. 4. Bugatti Centodieci, $9 million. Celebrating Bugatti's 110th anniversary, the Centodieci pays homage to the iconic EB110 with a futuristic design and a quad-turbo W16 engine producing 1,600 horsepower. 5. Mercedes-Maybach Exelero, $8 million, introduced in 2005. The Exelero remains a standout, with its sleek design and powerful V12 engine producing 700 horsepower. 6. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita, $4.8 million, featuring a unique diamond weave carbon fiber body and a V8 engine producing 1,018 horsepower. The CCXR Trevita is limited to just 2 units. 7. Lamborghini Veneno Roadster, $4.5 million, created to celebrate Lamborghini's 50th anniversary. The Veneno Roadster features an aggressive design and a V12 engine producing 740 horsepower. 8. Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, $3.9 million. This limited edition Chiron variant commemorates Bugatti's record-breaking 304.773 miles per hour top speed, featuring a more aerodynamic design and an 8.0-liter W16 engine producing 1,577 horsepower. 9. Lamborghini Sian, $3.6 million. Lamborghini's first hybrid supercar combines a V12 engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, producing a